Alright, so it's really, really windy out here. There's like trash going down our street and everything. It's pretty crazy. Chairs blowing over, everything. Look, that tree like is falling over. It's crazy. So I'm gonna try to film today. Don't know if it'll happen, but it should be fun. Alright, so here's just some aftermath of the massive windstorm we had. I heard that it was the same like level of wind as a hurricane is, but just without the water. So yeah, it was really crazy. Pipes are breaking because of the roots that are being torn up. Just water flowing down. And then here, look, there's another tree. This one. Oh, like you can see. Look at that concrete that just tore up out of the ground. It's crazy. Look, this is just like grass. Wow. You can see the lines on the asphalt where the limbs have been dragged. It's crazy. The roots are all torn up. The concrete totally cracked where it fell. Whoa. Here's another massive tree that fell. Look, this is kind of cool. If you come look down there, it's like an entire cave here. I wonder if I can focus it. Its root is in really, really deep. That's crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. They just tore it up out of the ground. And they cut up the rest of the limbs. I think those might be them and those over there too. This is a big tree here. I wonder if you can see. Whoa. That concrete got like taken down. Look at that. This thing is massive. Just look at this. Yeah, it does not normally look like this. Wow, so I think trees fell down and then they just grabbed them and took them here where there's no people. It's crazy, just leaves everywhere. So I'm pretty sure the dumpster was sitting right there. And I'm pretty sure the wind moved the dumpster to there. That's crazy. Alright, so this is so cool. So this tree fell down across the road. So they sawed it, like they cut it up so people could drive. But look at this, it tore up all of this grass. And then this concrete slab is still intact. So this will make a great RC car ramp. Look, it's really quite steep, and now we can jump it over onto there. It's crazy. All that. Wow. Pretty crazy. Just look at all of this. It's crazy, just trees falling down everywhere. Oh yeah, so today is the day after the big windstorm.